Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. After a few days, we'll be celebrating Eid al-Fitr. Let us make this Eid a meaningful by forgiving each other. If I have made hurts or anything that feels you not good, so myself, to all my friends and families, forgive me if I did anything hurts or anything wrong. So this is the very important day among families and friends to celebrate joyfully and rejoice with the kids and friends and the family members. As Almighty Allah have given us this opportunity, we need to obtain a meaningful Eid, a meaningful rejoicement, and with the kids and my friends as well. So during this holy month of Ramadan, we have already fulfilled by fasting and following Almighty Allah's commandments. Eid is really for every Muslims a very rejoice and maintaining shukrana, thankful to Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. We'll be having a morning breakfast after offering prayers, Eid namaz. Our first meal as here in Pakistan, enjoying having sheer kurma, the most common and most probably everyone has its sheer kurma everywhere. I am here asking forgiveness to everyone, to all my friends and families, brothers and sisters. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Allah Hafiz.